Hello guys, going to the seafood city to buy Max fried chicken. And now we arrive at seafood city. You can see the Max chicken there in the corner. Now let's open the leftover Max fried chicken. Wow, look at that. It's crunchy outside and it's dry inside. You are watching Javellanas Taste and Flavor. Subscribe and follow for more video updates. Let's cook. Oil. Let's put some onions, garlic, add ginger, and let's put all the Max chicken and salt and the chicken broth. Lemongrass. And let's put 1 tablespoon sugar. Put the carrots and sayote. Put the cabbage. Well, let's put the sotanghon, the noodles, and optional put the red chili pepper, black pepper, green onions. Ayan, luto na. Wow, let's eat. Namit. Yum. May baon pa. Sabroso gid.